it's recording too. Oh, I can't zoom. It's still there. Wow.
Don't let it get out.
Fine, close the freaking door. Whoa. It's gonna cause a bigger problem.
Oh, what? Hey, punch it in the face.
Dude, just a bird, man.
It's a stupid bird at that.
Just kill it, Frank. Just kill it, Frank.
Why are you asking me to do it? I try to catch it. I try to catch it.
You guys are supposed to move when you're recording.
That is so going on YouTube.
Oh, throw the glow.
If you throw the glow, it's gonna pop it.
I didn't even know he had it. His phone.
Hey, skyscraper.
We're not gonna kill the freaking bird.
Yeah, you are, Frank. Dude, kill it.
Fine, you guys are all babies. Where's the bucket?
That's what I'm saying. Get the bucket. Catch this motherfucker.
Get the freaking bucket.
Please call him on that on your ass.
Where's the freaking bucket? Get the bucket.
I know, man, but I was. Oh. I was gonna do that. You can catch the bird.
This side's telling me not to, and you guys are telling me to not. Where'd it go?
Oh my gosh! You guys,
He just flies down here.
Where's Mr. Miller?
He's so sick.
How come those?
they want to let me use so
I know that. This is so cool.
This is the best day ever.
Freaking it out.
That bird is hella retarded.
Oh, that's why you call people bird brain. Hey, how's it going? What?
You're not the guy.
Get a net.
What the heck is going on in here? You got birds flying around?
We're not doing our work. We know.
It wants to go outside.
Whoa.
What is it? Get a net. Go outside.
Go get a net. Go get a freaking net.
This isn't distracting your learning at all, is it?
No. We're learning about the air pressure over the wings and how the air pressure rises it up.
Fly. We'll work on that while you.
Yeah.
Its bones are hollow.
Don't ruin it.
I saw it fly in through there. There's like a in the side of the. Sergio, what do you want to say?
See how its beak is open? It's really
Yeah.
hot.
He messed it up. Freaking Frank hit it in the face.
Trying to regulate.
I did not. Is he saying?
You hit it in the face, didn't you?
No, I hit.
Yeah, you did.
I hit its wing.
Yeah, you hit it in the
I
face.
hit its wing.
You hit it in the face.
I hit its wing. I hit its.
You hit it in the face.
I hit its wing.
You hit it in the face.
Person scared outside.
He hit it.
I got the wing. I didn't hit the face.
Frank, why would you hit it in the face?
You guys are telling me to kill it. They're telling me not to. I'm taking this.
They're not ganging up on Frank.
Frank hit it in the face. I have
You
it on
guys
tape.
are telling me to catch it.
Let me see what.
I'm still filming though. This is going on YouTube.
Well, there you go.
I can't wait till this gets like 1 million hits. Like, I doubt it though. Chris is not running after it. Dude, let it escape into the halls.
Dude, that would cause massive chaos.
There you go. Chris, what are you doing? Nothing.
I bet like $5 is gonna crap on somebody.
Wait, the matter. How would you want to bet?
No, the tallest guy, Adam.
Adam.
Skyscraper.
Tallest guy there.
What's it down? Catch.
Put the globe down.
It's a Patriot.
Where'd it go?
It's over here, dude. It's just going around in circles.
Alright, so
Hey, what's on the box? It's gonna hit the box. Just watch.
Like it hit the bucket.
So we got the assistant principal trying to catch the bird.
Okay, we got the assistant principal trying to catch the freaking bird.
I see myself on YouTube tonight.
Maybe. You're gonna be a star. You're gonna be a star.
What are you doing? That's how the bird's mouth is. It's like, oh my
Whoa.
god. It's like this the whole time. I know.
stand on the other end
I
of
think
the
we're trying
box?
to catch
Really should just close the door.
You have an idea? Yeah, should we have someone stand on the other
We need another box. 2 people on each side. Whoa. We are not professionals. We are not.
Chill.
bird to kind of get to a corner.
That's what we're trying to do here. Oh, so close. Oh. Go, 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 go! I know. That was fun, dude. This is. Where's Jalise? She's tripping out.
Where's Jalise at?
Jalise left.
Probably gonna be YouTube.
We'll be on one side. We'll distract the bird, scare to the other side.
Why can't we just learn with the bird in here? Why can't we just sit in here with the bird?
Cause he'll eat our eyes out when we're sleeping. I sleep good.
Have you ever been eaten as a child?
Yeah, a little bit.
Dude, shut up. I'm gonna go outside because I don't want to get hit by a bird.
I'm just staying here. This is awesome.
Hey, don't do that.
Oh, there he goes. Hey, you missed it, dude. How could you be distracted? Get away. We need another guy with another box. Where is? Oh, there's just Jalise.
It likes to keep me in the flag.
This bird's gonna have a heart attack. Look at its mouth, the bird's tired.
Maybe you should stop flying. I'll catch you with my hands for $5.
All right, I'll give you 20. Go.
20?
Yeah, go.
Here, I'll give you 5.
All right. Yeah, that's a 5. Okay, prepare. We're gonna distract it.
No, get away from me. Get away from me.
Yeah, sure.
There you go.
All right, skyscraper, get out there.
Just kill it.
We're not gonna kill the freaking gadget. You smacked him. You smacked him. Oh, he knew you were going to there. We need another box. Whoa. He may be stupid, but he's at least smart enough to get caught. Whoa. Whoa.
But they left it up there. Because it needs a rest.
It needs a high place. Wow, we're gonna grab him? We're gonna load it. Oh! Go get. Oh! We need another freaking box. Just grab. Wait! Get a bucket. You have a bucket. You have a bucket. When it gets there, you just catch it. Oh! Don't kill it.
Did you get that?
I got that. Yeah. Oh, there it is. Oh,
you got it!
No, man.
By hand.
yeah. It's dead.
That was too sick! That was too sick!
Dude, he caught the bird. He caught the bird. He got the bird.
Set him free.
Let's go. No, it took 9 minutes. It took 9.
Give me the YouTube video.
You guys are on YouTube. Say hi.
Let's go!
Let's go, everybody. Let's go. We're gonna set it
This
free.
is the sickest class period I've ever had all year.
I know, right?
It's like it comes back.
It was better when the girl had the seizure. Oh god. That was awesome. Bravest.
And here's my whole class.
You're the bravest vice principal ever.
How do you feel about this cat?
Feel pretty good about it right now.
It's like forever.
Nobody knows what's going on. I love that.
Yeah?
Oh! That would have been terrible if you let it go right now.
This is what happens when we
Just another day at McKay. Just another day. Whoa. Go down there. What? We got a bird. It flew into class and we caught it. He caught it. But we helped.
I wonder why that was headshot status. It's probably because it's outside. You can't just not take it, dude. This is tight.
And Twinkie, we found a bird in classroom. He caught it. He caught a bird in class.
Alright, guys.
Let's name it.
Ramiro.
Bob.
Any final words of wisdom for
Later, Machiavelli.
Don't get in our classroom again. We'll catch you.
the class mascot? Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Later. Bye.
Look, it's flying back to the class.
It's going back to the classroom.
That's a day at McKay.
Another day at McKay, man. Another day at McKay.
See you guys. Have a good day.
Bye. Oh, God.
That was the sickest day of school.